because I remember, Hello Moth was just like, I remember his very first show here. And that's so cool how he's progressed. Speaking of, this is two people that actually met here at Cafe Koi to collaborate. And so I'm really happy you folks could be here. This is Georgia Sound, everybody. Put your hands together for Georgia Sound.
Yeah, and thanks a lot for putting us after Hello Moth. I saw that on the set list, I almost ran away. Yeah, like Kelly said, we met here back in 2011. Yeah, we started playing in October of that year. And yeah, we had a lot of ups and downs and fights. Good fights though. Great songs. This is we're in the studio right now. We're putting our first full-length album, and this is, as it stands, this song is going to be the single. It's called Love Can Change. Before I ask you to stay,